What's up, guys? So welcome back again on another vlog. It's been a while without vlogging. This is my first vlog since I came back to SA. The last vlog I was still in Dubai. But yeah, guys, so today's plan is very simple. I'm just going out to play some golf. It's weekend, so I won't be trading today. So yeah, that's today's plan. Actually, go there, play some golf, network with other people. I also have my laptop with me. I still have some admin work to do for PKFX. Then yeah, just make sure you stay tuned on this vlog. I might even trade because I think synthetics you can trade them even on weekends. So I can decide otherwise. If I see a setup on synthetics, I might even hop on them as well. So make sure you watch this till the end and click that like and subscribe button. Signing out. If you all know, my day is to be a cameraman. Yeah. I don't think so. Nice. Yeah, very interesting. This is what I could have done to NFP, but it was not there this month. Hey, we tishijemo.
3 days later.
What's up, guys? Another day, another dollar. So this is another day. The vlog still continues. So yeah, now I just woke up. I just wanna take a bath, and then yeah, I'll start my day. Give you guys the daily plan. So for now, stay tuned. Okay, guys. So I'm done bathing now. So I just wanna prepare because I have a live trading session with my community. So I'm about to turn on my trading setup and see what the market has for us, and also grab some breakfast. I don't usually eat breakfast in the morning, so you can see it's just a light meal. And then yeah, let's get started. Don't mind my office, it's a bit messy. Yesterday I was busy till late, so yeah, I don't mind it. Just prepare because I'm even late. It's like a couple of minutes. So yeah, let me just get started. So yeah, today I was a bit late with the session, but yeah, let's get started. So first, let's just select the instruments that we'll be focusing on today. So I'll just select your USD, your USD JPY, GBPSD, NASDAQ, then gold. So you can simply start with your USD. Just open our your USD chart. So as usual, what I have to do is to come here and take my vertical line and then just divide, put it on today's midnight so that I can only focus on what's happening today, right? So when I check my alert for USD, the overall long-term buyers are bullish, the momentum is also bullish, meaning that you have to look for buying opportunities on your USD. And you also have the possible targets, right? So let me just go ahead and put those possible targets on the chart. Place those possible targets on the chart. So this is my target one. This is my target one, and then put target two. So then this is my target two. So now I know where I should exit my trades as soon as I got that buy entry, right? So since I'm expecting the buy, so now let me just look for entries, right? So I'll just apply the knowledge that I have trading technical analysis. So I can simply see that okay, there's an uptrend here, and currently the market is on that support trend line, right? And then if you check, yeah, it did buy from then, and then you also have this support. It's a new support because the resistance before, but the market broke it, but it never came back to retest. So what can happen? The market might wanna come back here and retest because this level is not retested yet. But at the same time, we have this support trend line. So meaning that we might also get a confirmation of candlestick from the support trend line and give us that buying entry. So our job now on EU is to wait for at least candlestick confirmation. You see, if we get like bullish candlestick confirmation from the support trend line, that's a valid buy entry, or it might decide to break this trend line and come to the zone to retest and give us that bullish reversal candlestick, which will be a confirmation for our buy. So now we just need to wait for the market to play out and then react afterwards. Because in this case, you just need to get a confirmation. You already know where the market is heading, right? Based on the alert. So you just need to keep an eye until we get that confirmation. So let me just check GBP/USD while just waiting for your USD to play out. So GBP/USD, I think it's almost the same thing. Let's check some places to do. Let's put a bit line on today midnight. And then you're also looking for buying opportunities because the overall long-term buyers and momentum are both bullish. Let me put the possible targets which are my TPUs in the chart. So I have my target one. Let me just put target one for now, right? And then let's look for an entry for those buys. So we almost have the same setup. So we have this. So we can reach it out. It was our resistance, then the market broke it, and it did come back and retest, but it seems like it's going back again to retest one more time. So it will be perfect if you wait for buying entries on this level. And then in this case, if you check, seems like there's a small downtrend here. You just put that trend line there. See? So seems like it wants to form more like a bullish flag. See? Seems like it wants to form a bullish flag and then to break on the way to the upside. But then let's just wait to give us confirmation on the support. This one already tested this support again. So let's just wait for candlestick confirmation, and as soon as you get that candlestick confirmation, that is when you can simply enter our trades on GBP/USD. So yeah, let's be patient and wait for these setups to play out. Then on the other side, USD is also playing around. Let's wait for it to give us a confirmation as well. So it means our job now is to just observe the market and wait for that confirmation of time again. So we'll get the next 15 minutes and in like 10 minutes. So let's just wait for it and see how it's gonna form. Okay guys, so now I just wanna do some edits. I just wanna edit some posters, and yeah man, because I always have a lot in the table. Like I said, I do all the things alone, you see, from admin, trading, managing my students, managing my community,
doing some of the posters, doing some of the editings of the video. Like, I'm jack of all trades at the end of the day. So now I'm about to like hop on some edits, do some posters for Instagram, and yeah. So let me just get to it because time is not on my side. But before, let me just check the trade. Okay, so the trade is still looking good. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but my other phone is off. But yeah, the trade is still looking good. We're still in good profits. You are like halfway to our first TP. So I'll keep you guys updated with the trade as well. But nonetheless, let me just hop on editing some posters and some videos. So if you check the trade, it's still looking good. It's still in profits, just that the market has been consolidating for a while now. But yeah, our setup is still valid. So like I said, guys, I just purchased an account with Common Capital. So these are my other accounts that I have. I passed these two accounts, and then this one I just breezed it, guys. But I just bought a new 50k USD account. See. So I got it, I think around, it was $300 or $350, but yeah, it's available for 50k USD account. I think it was $300 with Commit Capital. This is a two-step account, so I'm still on phase 1. Just need to make like, I think it's 10% for me to pass phase 1. Then phase 2 they need like 5%. Then once I'm done, I'm funded. So if you want to get an account with Commit Capital, you can simply use the promo code PK35 to get a 35% discount, and then you can be a funded trader as well.
So I wanna go get something to eat, you see, but I'm craving I'm not craving fancy food today. At the same time, I wanna eat something outside. So still undecided, but I'm thinking maybe some kasi food in here, just like us, pap and maybe chicken, that fried chicken. See, so I'm craving something like that. So let me see if I can find it nearby. I'm not sure if they open, because there's this other place nearby where they sell such food. I'm not sure if today they opened. So just want to get there, get something to eat, then yeah, go back home and yeah, try to be productive. Hopefully I won't be lazy after eating pap. But yeah, I'm almost there, guys. So craving something like that, man. I can't eat fancy food every day. So this is a realistic vlog. I'm doing a realistic vlog, guys. So I'm not gonna eat fancy food today. I'm not only gonna shoot content or document when I'm eating fancy food only. Even when I'm eating like umakasi food, I'll still make content. Like, guys, seems like it's full here, eh? Okay, guys, so now I'm going to the mall. I just want to do some, I won't call it a shopping because I'm just going to buy like one thing. So I'm running out of cologne, so just want to get another cologne before the one that I'm using runs out completely, see, because that's my favorite cologne. I have other colognes, but this one, the specific one, is my favorite one. So I just want to make sure I always have it. So I'm on my way to the mall now so that I can get another one. Yo, guys, it's too hot today. Yo, it's too hot, I won't lie. So I just got my colognes. Should have bought 2 of them. I wanted one, but they ended up giving me like a discount on another one. Guys, I'm down on fuel. Check this. I just got some petrol. Now it's much better. I think it's on quarter now. Yo, guys, my car is low and I think this pavement is a bit steep here. It's not steep. Oh, I'm seeing the things here. Okay, so I think, yeah, now my gauge is on quarter. I think I got like 173 kilometers to go. 173 kilometers to go. So at least, because I was on empty, I was on E, guys. I think nigga said like a 15 kilometers to go. At least now I have like 170. Okay, so I just got my license disc. So it's been years since I have owned this car, so my disc expired, so now I just got a new one. So I just came back, got my colleagues. Just wanna see what's happening. I'm sure I'm taking out this. I'm sure I got taken out. See, so just so you can see those trades, guys. You can see the trade is still valid, but I was taking out somewhere here because my stop loss was somewhere here because I was blocking my trades, but I'm sure one member in my community is still holding. There's this other member in my community, like that guy hold his trades up until the ETP. So I'm sure he's still holding this one because it's still valid. Just give us another confirmation here. So yeah, guys, let me just remove this one. It's no longer valid. So it gave us another confirmation here that it will still push to the upside. So we'll see how it's gonna play out. But on my side, I'm out on this trade.